Hi guys! First and foremost, I want to say I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday season and Happy New Year! I'm really excited to say that this is my first video for 2021. So let's talk about today's DIY. So today's DIY is a very easy beginner project for woodworking, but it's also BOHO inspired because I'm still on the BOHO train. I don't know when I will get off of that, but for now I am riding that train as long as I can. So today's DIY is super easy, and really this is beginner level stuff, but it's also a great design and I'm really excited about how it turned out. I think you guys are going to enjoy it too, so if you do, definitely make sure you give this video a like. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to get into painting now. So I have my plastic down, painting inside because it's really cold outside. And I just wanted to kind of, I don't know, be warm. I don't know if I mentioned it, but the color that I used is Molten Gold from Sherwin Williams. I wanted something that kind of was orange, but at the same time not like a dark, dark orange. But all in all, I picked an orange that I'm okay with. Like this is okay. I like it, at least. So I did my first coat. I let that dry. I am now going to be doing my second coat, but first what I'm going to do is actually flip it over and put the mounting hardware on it first. First we're going to go ahead and flip this over. Okay, so I am gonna want to for sure pre-drill holes. I also want to make sure that wherever I'm doing this is level. We are going to be using a ruler. Hope that works. And if that doesn't work, I got a stick. This is high quality stuff here, guys. Definitely. I know you come for some amazing, amazing content. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using for now because I have no idea where my stuff is. And is that just me? Does that happen to just me? Because I feel like every time I need something, I go where I think it is and I can't find it. I look everywhere, I can't find it. You buy it again and then lo and behold, you find it. That happens to me way too much. Probably means that I need to change my life. Now those lines that I drew, I'm just gonna connect them. This is the mounting hardware I'll be using. If I need something stronger, I will definitely let you know later on. This is thick wood. I don't expect it to actually like split or anything like that, but just on the safe side, I want to make sure that I don't cause any problems. So we're gonna pre-drill first. Okay. All right, so I just drilled. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the screws in. Last one. Okay, perfect. Right, so we got that all squared away. So now it's time to go back and paint. So after I paint the second coat, I'm also going to poly the shelves. Now I decided to go against painting the shelves the same color just because I wanted some contrast. I just wanted to do something different, to be honest. And I also wanted to kind of like have the circle be focused in as the sun. So let's move on to the wood shelves now. So we have here my pieces of wood. So this piece of wood is a 1.5 by 6 by 36. I wanted my shelves to be pretty wide. Now obviously I'm not stacking them with heavy stuff, but at the same time, if there's something that I had that's a little wide, I wanted the room for that. Today is like a day where I feel like I just want to talk to the whole world, so that's really weird. That is not me. I am an introvert all the way. Okay, let's do this. All right, so I'm just using polyacrylic. It's just water-based and I have it on hand, so I figured I'd use this. So I'm just going to be using this to seal it. Alright, so I just finished putting the polyacrylic on. Now we just play the waiting game. So come back in tomorrow and then we'll finish this up. Alright, it is officially the last day. So you didn't see it, but off camera I realized that I polyed my wood without cutting it first. So I did my cuts off camera. So I cut them to size. I actually measured 16 inches from the bottom and 16 inches from the top, so I can put my shelves there so that they're equal distance apart from the top and bottom. So I'm going to be using these corner braces to secure them to the shelf, and then I'm going to be using the corner braces that are attached to the shelf and attach those to my wood circle round. So let's get started on that. Last screw. Now what I'm going to do is drill one side in, then use my leveler to kind of make sure that it is all level, and then go back again and screw in the other side. All right, so I found my level point. So it is thankfully straight across. So now I'm going to pre-drill my holes and then screw it in. Finally on the last two holes. And just like that, it's done. I think it looks great. So let's hang it up and see how it looks. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was an amazing, easy DIY video to start for 2021. I'm really excited about the direction I'm headed, especially in 2021. There's so much more that I want to share with you guys, and I just want to say thank you for giving me that opportunity. Not to sound cocky, this is going to totally sound cocky, but I really believe that all the DIYs in 2021 are going to surpass the DIYs in 2020. So if I pass that vibe check for you, definitely make sure you're subscribed and you hit that little notification bell so you're going to know when I post again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!